Today I'm going to be going through some tips, tricks and secrets so that you can work alongside the algorithm to explode your growth on Instagram. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. If you're only just discovering one of my videos on my channel, my name is Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I also put a disclaimer at the start of my videos to say that I'm not selling you guys a course in this video or any of my other videos. In fact, that's not me. Instead, all I ask for this free advice is that you go down below, smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, feel free to comment some video ideas down below of what you'd like to see from me in the future. Right, enough rambling, let's get straight into the meat of the video now. So the Instagram algorithm is improving and changing every single day, so you need to keep up to date with it. At the moment, all these tips and tricks will help you to get on top of the Instagram algorithm and boost your reach and engagement on your pages. So first of all, your watch time factor. This is how long people spend watching your content. This is now a very valuable point on Instagram on how to increase your engagement and your views on your posts. It's because Instagram checks how long people are on your post for, and if they are on your post for longer, they promote the post more because they think people are enjoying your content as they're watching it multiple times. Instagram could do this on likes, saves and comments, but as you can do that multiple times on different accounts, they go to watch time. Watch time is very hard to fake, and to boost yourself on the algorithm doing that, it's very hard to fake and gimmick it. Therefore, I advise you to avoid engagement groups. They do not work and they will not help you in this day and age on Instagram. Instead of engagement groups, create content that people stay a long time on. Create content that people watch multiple times and go back and look at the comments for. In terms of the content you should be doing for this, there is no golden key for it. It's just trial and error and see which content works. Keep creating different types of content until you found a winner. I recommend that you create short reels. This is because it keeps people watching it again and again and again, which increases your percentage of watch time and increases your post views and reach. In the captions of your posts, tell a story. This keeps people on your post for longer because they're reading through the caption and the video is playing in the background. Instagram sees this watch time percentage and it promotes it to a wider audience because they think you're just engaging with the video, but instead you're just reading the caption. Spend more time building a loyal fan base rather than just followers. Turn those followers into loyal fans because those fans will engage and comment and share all of your posts and won't just take action on one of them. You can do this by spending additional time on your content, whether that's upgrading all your setup or whether that's upgrading the content in general. Change style of content. If people don't like one thing, change it and switch it out for something else. Do this until you found a few winners and you can keep switching between those and posting lots of different types of content that people enjoy. Also advise that you engage back with people who engage with you. This builds a deeper connection with your audience and your relationships with your partners too. Therefore, this boosts you on the Instagram algorithm as Instagram sees you're not a robot and you're not a bot and you're an actual human being. Do this to boost yourself on the Instagram algorithm as Instagram sees that you are not a robot or a bot and you're a real person engaging back with people. Now wait, have you guys liked the video yet? If you have not already, please feel free to go down below and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This helps my videos to be promoted to a wider audience and helps my channel grow. Cheers guys. Alright, now back into the video. I need you guys to open up more and show more of your personality. On Instagram, think of it yourself. You like to see people who have a good personality and actually show their true self. This creates authenticity between you and the viewer, and that builds a deeper connection with your audience and builds a fan base. As I mentioned before, if you build a deeper relationship with the audience, you create a fan base with them, they're more likely to engage with all of your content, not just one bit. Now, in terms of your posting times, I recommend that you start posting before the peak times on Instagram. This is so your post is on the algorithm and on the explore page the whole time through the peak times, not just times when you want it to be. This means that your post will be active during the entire peak time and you'll get the most reach from it. Now, I want you guys to start commenting genuine things on people's posts that are in the same niche as you. You'll be commenting for something back, do it purely to just provide value to them. One, this is good karma, and two, it will come back to give you some help because people will see that you are on people's posts, commenting nice things, they're gonna click on your username and go to your page, and then they'll follow you, hopefully. And as I said before, do not do this in the intention of getting something back. Be genuine and do it just for them. I want you to make it a habit to be doing this every single day and build up a tribe of fans. Think about it, if you're commenting on 30 people's posts every single day, there's upwards of 900 people's posts you've commented on. So if 3 people see your comment on that post, there's 2,700 new people who could potentially follow you every single month. Take that in and start commenting more on people's posts. Now, make sure that you are using all of the newest features on the Instagram platform. Instagram rewards users who use their newest features as it boosts their posts out to more people on the algorithm. Features such as Reels blew people's pages up, such as mine as well. I got 4 million views on one Reel and it took my page from 0 followers all the way to 10,000 in about a week. So therefore, you will really want to be taking advantage of the new features. Now, You want to be giving your audience more chance to engage with you and more opportunities to engage with you through stories. Story strategies such as the poll strategy or question strategy are really helpful. This allows your audience to engage back with you and it boosts your engagement on your page, which the algorithm likes on Instagram and therefore promotes your page to a wider audience. As you can see, the main aim is just to get your post promoted to a wider audience through engagement. Now, you may have seen recently a lot of people were doing fundraisers on Instagram. The feature does actually improve your engagement and your reach and your followers a lot on Instagram. So therefore, if you're feeling that your engagement has dropped a lot on your page, start a fundraiser and you'll see it go back up again. If you're feeling like you've got shadow banned on Instagram, buy a promotion through Instagram directly and that should fix that. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a few bonus tips as well. When you're first starting your page out, whether it's a theme page or a business page, I recommend using the $1.80 strategy. This pretty much means just engaging with a load of people in the same niche as you. If you're doing that, people will see your posts more and they will engage back with you and follow you. Combine this with the follow strategy and you'll be all set to go. The follow strategy means you go onto the same page. The follow strategy is pretty much you go into a similar page in the same niche as you. You see if they posted in the last half an hour. If they have, see who liked that post and follow 150 of them per day. If you combine these two strategies, you'll be all set to go to receive your good growth. I also recommend tagging locations in your posts. Whether they're searching for example, Hawaii, and your post comes up there, that's a new way for you to get followers. Get yourself a great hashtag strategy as well. Your hashtag sets should have between 10 and 30 hashtags in. You should have 3 or 4 hashtag sets, and each hashtag set should have 30 hashtags in them. Each individual hashtag should have between 10,000 and 80,000 posts on it. That way it's not too small that you won't get any reach at all, but it's not too big that all the big pages will overcrowd you. This is the middle ground and take advantage of it and use that because it improved your reach drastically. Right guys, I've noticed that only about 5% of my audience are actually subscribed to my channel. Now guys, we're getting towards the end of today's video. So if you want to come back tomorrow and watch another video on social media management agencies or Instagram theme pages, then feel free to come back again. Feel free to subscribe to the channel down below and click the notification bell so you get alerted when one of these videos comes out from me. Also, while you're down there, feel free to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Feel free to check out my most recent video from yesterday, and I hope to see you guys around my channel soon. Thanks.